Let us start. All of you switch on the video. Okay. We are discussing about expressions. Okay. How we can convert one mathematical expression into Python expression. That we are discussing. The last question it is. Which one is the last question?
Ma'am, 2x square.
Okay. 2x square. This is the question. Okay. So the meaning of the statement it is 2 into x square. Okay. So 2 into, we are representing 2 into it is star. Then x square, it is represented using x into 2. Then write the Python expression for 5y raised to 5. 5y raised to 8. Write the Python expression for 5y raised to 8. Amal, what is the meaning of that 5y raised to 8, Amal? It is 5 into y raised to 8. Okay. Okay, Amal?
5 star
5 star y.
y, then
Then how many star?
8 star
8 star. 2 star. Okay. Sarah, read the answer.
5 star
5 star
y
y
double star
double star, that is exponent
8.
8. Rahul? Okay. So listen here. Okay. So Amal, instead of y into, I write 5 star. Then y raised to 8 is written like this, that is y instead of raised to, for finding the power we are using double star, that is exponent, so y exponent 8. Is it clear, Amal? Okay, write another question. 3 into x by 2. Into x by 2. Write the Python statement, equivalent Python statement for 3 into x by 2. Tom Sinden Sahan, all of you switch on the video. Sanam, Anjana. All of you switch on the video. Sanam, what happened in the previous classes? Sanam,
Yes, ma'am.
why you are absent in the previous classes? Not today's class?
Ma'am, network issue, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So if any doubt, you just message me, okay? Okay, Sanam, read the answer.
No more doing it.
What, Sanam?
I'm just writing.
Okay, okay. Tushar, read the answer.
Is it 3 into x by 2?
How we can write 3 into x by 2? How we can write x by 2?
1 by 2 into x by 1.
How it is 1 by 2 into x, is it?
Yes.
There is no need of that complication. X by 2 is represented using x by, we cannot represent this by using keyboard. Okay, okay, Tushar? So, for finding this x by 2, for division in keyboard, we are using the slash symbol. So, just write x slash 2. 3 into, that into is represented using star, and x by 2. X by 2 is we are dividing x by 2. So, for division, which operator we are using? Slash operator. So, x slash 2. Is it clear, Tushar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, write another question. It is 3bc plus 4. 3bc plus 4. What happened, Abhilash? No
Nothing.
problem. Okay, okay, okay. Rahul, read the answer.
3 star B star C plus 4.
A star, B star, C plus 4. This is the answer. Okay. Instead of 3 into B into C, we write 3 star, B star, C plus 4. Okay. One more question. That is x plus 2 by B minus 1. X plus 2 by B minus 1. Then one more question, it is a square plus b square. Bas, will you switch on the video? Kevin?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the first answer.
Ma'am, not done yet. Wait.
Okay. Buddhadev?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, should I read the first answer?
Yes.
I'm not so sure.
No problem.
X plus 2 slash
Yes.
b minus
Yes, correct one. X plus 2 by b minus 1. It is correct. Correct, Buddhadol. So first term it is, if there is no bracket, then there is no need of writing the bracket. So it is x plus 2 by b minus 1. Here in math, our normal mathematical expression, we are using this division. But in our Python programming, we cannot use this division, this operator for division. There we are using slash for division. So the only difference is write x plus 2 instead of this by, we use slash. X plus 2 by b minus 1. Okay. Sahan, switch on the video, Nestle. Switch on the video. Sahan, read the second answer.
Ma'am, A star star 2 plus B star star 2.
2. Correct, Sahan. So a square is represented using a. Why you are switch off the video, Sahan?
One second, ma'am.
Okay.
Hold on, sir.
Okay. So a square, it is a double star 2, that is a exponent 2 plus b square, it is represented using b double star 2. So this conversion from mathematical expression to Python statement is clear, all of you? Any doubt regarding this expression, conversion? Rahul? Is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we can move to the next topic. So we are starting our first Python program. So for writing a Python program, first we need input statement, and also we want to know about what is output statement in Python. Okay, so first we will discussing about input statements in Python. So if we want to input something from keyboard, we are using this keyword, it is input. Okay, so input is a keyword that is used to input something from the keyboard, or if a user want to enter something, we want to use this input function. If a user want to input a character or a digit or a special symbol from the keyboard, first we want to use this input function. I will write the example, that is a is equal to input within double quotes. I want to enter one digit. Enter one digit. This is an example for input statement. So here, input is the built-in function used to input something from the keyboard. And here within double quotes, I am giving enter one digit. That means it's a message to the user. So when we execute this statement, in the output window, it will appear like this. This is the output window. Then it will appear enter one digit. When we write something within double quotes along with input function, this message, this is a message, that message will appear in the output window. Okay, so enter one digit is the message we used here. If we add one colon, that will also appear here. So the message that we want to appear in the output box, we will write that message here. So input, within all of you switch on the video. Within input function, we write the message for the user. So when the screen, output screen appear, user can understand this is the message, that is enter one digit. So user can identify we want to enter one digit. So user will enter one digit from keyboard. I will enter one digit, that is 10 from keyboard. So that 10 is assigned to A. So this is the input statement. Okay. Input is a function used to input something from the keyboard. That is, it helps the user to input one character or one word or one string from the keyboard or one special character from the keyboard. For that purpose, we are using this input function. By default, this input function will return a string value. Okay, by default the input function return a string value, but that is when we input when we press digit 5, then also this input function convert that digit into string and it is stored in A. It is not the digit 5. Okay, that is the one problem when we are using this input function. The problem is that input function is used to enter something from the keyboard. User can enter some values from the keyboard. But this function accepts all the values in the form of string. What is string, Irene? Irene? What is string?
Single quotes and double quotes.
Not single quotes and double quotes. The characters inside, the characters within single quotes or double quotes. Okay, Irene?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the characters within single quotes or double quotes, set of characters within single quotes or double quotes is known as string. So whatever we input from keyboard, this input function will convert that digit or special character or string into string data type. So we use one more function along with this input, that is A is equal to int input. Then the meaning of the statement is we are inputting some values from keyboard. This input function convert that value into string. But we are using another function int. Int is a function that converts the content into integer. Okay? Input is the function used to input something from the keyboard. If we are inputting 5, we cannot store this 5 into A if we are using this input function. The input function converts this digit into string and that string is stored into A. But we need this digit 5. For that we are using another built-in function, it is int. So when we input 5, the input function converts that 5 into string and that string value is again converted to int. So 5 is stored into A. If you want to input a string, there is no problem, there is no need of using this statement. Okay, I will explain once again. So for inputting a value, input, enter your name. This is the message. Input, enter your name. Here we need int function. Here we want to write int function.
No.
Okay, so A is equal to input, enter your name. Means the message comes in the output window, the message is enter your name. Okay, then user can enter the name. I will input Alan. Okay, so this is a string. So there is no need of converting the inputted value because input is the function that use a string value. Okay, any value we inputted from keyboard is converted to string. So here there is no need of converting it into integer or into float. Okay, so we need only input function. If we want to input a string value, there is no need of another functions like int, float. Okay, we can just input the string and that string is assigned to A. Okay, so here input enter your name means within double quotes we are giving a message that is enter your name. All of you switch on the video. Okay, so input is a built-in function used to input some values or some names, roll number, then some values from keyboard. So if we are inputting a string value just like subject name or name, then our place name or house name, so that type of values are we are inputting, then there is no need of another function. We can just use this statement only. Okay, because input function accept that string directly. Okay, so if there's Alan, that Alan is stored into variable in A. Okay, this is the basic statement. There is no need of conversion because we are inputting a string value, so that string value is directly assigned to A. Is it clear, Kevin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then another statement it is, I want to input one integer value from keyboard. Okay, enter number. Enter a number. So when we are using this input statement only, then the entered number if it is 10, that number is converted to string because of this input function. Input function convert all the values into string value. So if you are inputting 10, it's a digit, then also it convert that digit into string. So that digit is converted to string and that string value is stored in A. But we want to store this digit itself. For that purpose, we want to convert this string value into integer value. For that, we are using this int. Okay. So, from the keyboard, user input a digit 10. The input function convert that digit into string, that 10 into string. Then again, this int function convert this 10 into actual digit 10. That 10 is assigned to A. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is the second version. Then if I want to input a float value 10.1, what we will do, Thompson, then?
Float input.
Yes, float input. That is A is equal to float within bracket, write input within double quotes and the value. Any message we can give here. This is the message. If there is a spelling mistake, that spelling mistake also appear here. Okay. Whatever we write here, that will appear in the output screen. Okay. And one number, one float number or anything we can give here. Okay. So input under one number. We input some float value 6.1. The value here, input function accept this value as string, and this string is converted to float using this function. So 6.1 is assigned to A. Okay. This is the 3 variations. We can use bool here. Any data type we can use here, but commonly we are using, most commonly used expression statement, it is int. Okay, so these two statements are very important for inputting. For inputting a string, we are using a is equal to input, enter your name. This is for inputting a string. Inputting a string. The first statement is for inputting a string. Then the second statement is for inputting integer. The second statement is for inputting integer. Then third one is for inputting float value. Is it clear, Amal?
Oh,
Okay. Then next it is the output statement. Which one is the output statement? I already explained that output statement.
Print.
Print. Correct, Abhilash. That is print statement. Print. Print statement is the output statement. So input statement, it is input. For displaying something, we are using print statement. Here also we can give some message. Within double quotes, we can give some message. That is, the result is. I want to display one result. So I will write the result is. Close the double quotes and write the value. If we can directly give the value, or we can give a variable. I want to write the content of sum. Here the meaning is some values are there in this variable. Sum is one variable name. Some value is there in this variable. So the output is, the result is, if the content of sum it is 15, it will display 15. Anything we are written in this, within this double quotes, it will display like this. After double quotes, I will use one variable name. So it will display the content of that variable name. Here the content, I think I am giving a content like 15. So it will display content of sum, it is 15. Okay. So this is the print statement. There is no more versions for print statement. We can give a message. At the same way, we can give a variable name also. So then we can write here a plus b also. We can write one expression also here. That is a plus b. Means the value of a and value of b is added and the result is displayed here. Okay. The result is, it is within double quotes. So within double quotes, the result is, so the content within double quotes is displayed here. After that, the content of A and B is calculated and the result is displayed here. Okay. So these are the two important statements in Python programming language. For any programming language, we need this input statement and print statement. Okay. So write one simple program. Write the question. Your first Python program. Write a program to add two numbers. To add two numbers and display the result. And the second question is, write a program to accept name and class from user, name and class from user, and display the same. Name and class from user and display the same. Second one, do the second one first, okay? Do the second one first. After that, we can do the first one, okay?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Second question,
Yes, ma'am.
accept, write a Python program to accept name and class from the user or from the keyboard and display the same, that is display the name and class.
Can you say the first question?
First question it is, find the sum of two numbers. Find the sum of two numbers. Rahul completed? Sahan, switch on the video. Sanam, Manish, Irene, Alan Varghese, Basuri, switch on the video. Kevin completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
She
You
does
do the
second
first
one.
program.
She does
Second program.
only
Complete the
that.
second program, okay? Okay. Tushar, read the first statement.
A is equal to input bracket double quotes, enter the name.
Okay. A is equal to input within bracket within double quotes enter the name. Then next line, Abhilash.
P is equal to input start bracket double quotes enter a class and close double quotes and bracket.
Okay. Input within round bracket within double quotes enter the class. Enter the class. Okay. Then Sanjana, read the next statement.
Ma'am, output,
Yes.
the name and class,
Yes. Name and class. How we can represent to display name and class? Statement 4, output. Sanjana?
Print, then bracket,
Print, round bracket,
then double column,
okay, within double quotes,
name and class,
okay, name and class. I will write the statement, print, name, and I am giving another print statement, print, oh, this class, okay. Here for display name we are using the variable. Which variable, Basuri? Where we are storing the name, Basuri? Here. It's not clear. Kevin?
Ma'am, name is A.
Name is in A and class is in B. So to display name, we want to write capital letter A, because here I am using capital letter A, and here I am using capital letter B. Then there is some error. Identify the error in this for statement. Anyone? Two errors are there.
Ma'am, B is in capital.
Yes, correct. That is for print P, it is small letter. Here I am using capital letter P in two statements. Okay, what will happen if I run this program? Enter the name. I will enter the name Kevin. Okay, then enter the class. It is +1. Then when they execute the interpreter execute the third statement, it will give a message like this, because print is not defined. This print, that is capital letter PRINT, print is not defined. Our print statement is small letter PRINT. Okay, we can input the value name and class from the keyboard, but when the interpreter execute the third statement, it will give one error like this. This is also error, but first it will trace the first error. After correcting this only, it will move to the next line. Okay, so the error is in line number 3. The error is, name error, it is print is not defined. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will change this print, that is small letter P. So it will appear with blue color, okay, because it's a keyword, that's why. So enter name ABC, then enter class, it is 5. Then the first print statement, it is okay, that is it will print the first value. What is the name? Name, it is ABC. So it will display the name, that is based on the third statement, display name. But according to the fourth statement, here also one error. Is it clear, Anish? Anish? Is it clear?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so at the fourth line there is one error, and this P statement we are using capital letter P, so it is error. So we want to clarify, rewrite the statement, that is, it is small letter P. Then the answer is correct. Okay, enter the name HIJ, then enter the class, it is 5, then it will display, the name I am given it is HJK, so it will appear here. After that it will appear 5, class it is 5. Okay, then I am giving print A comma B. In one statement, we can give these two values. That is, if I am giving print A comma B, the output is just like this. That is, here HJK is the name and 5 is the class. Then what is this one? The last one with the there?
Ma'am, V.
Why? Why this V here? This is because of which statement I am asking? No problem, you try. This is Python programming. We are starting Python programming. No problem, you can try. Anyone? Okay. Why this 5 here?
Because print B is given.
Yes, it is because of this print B. Okay, Buddha? Okay, this is because of this print B. Two print statements are there. First print statement, this print statement is for displaying A and B. Content of A, it is HJK. Content of B, it is 5. So it will display content of A space content of B. So HJK space 5. After that, the second print statement, it is print B. Content of B, it is 5, so it will display 5. Is it clear? Then you just try your program. I think you are writing the program using some messages in print statement, isn't it? Anyone? Thompson, then read the print statement, your print statement.
Print my name is like that.
You are writing print with the double quotes, my name is, comma, that variable. Isn't it, Thompson, then? So you compile your program in your system, okay? You can just use Google and type Python online compiler. You get any compiler, I'm using this one, and you type the message and just click on run button. Okay. There is no need of downloading Python. You just go to Google it, Python online compiler. You can use any Python online compiler and type the statements here and run here. Your output will display here. If any error is there, that is also displayed here. Okay. Is it clear? Rahul? How we can use Python online compiler, Rahul?